Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Safety comparison between natural gas and propane reveals that both fuels are relatively safe and efficient for household use. However, propane is denser than air, allowing it to dissipate more quickly in the event of a leak, which can be a safety advantage in outdoor or well-ventilated areas. In contrast, natural gas is lighter than air and can accumulate in enclosed spaces, posing a greater risk of ignition. Both gases require proper installation, maintenance, and ventilation to ensure safety. It's important to install carbon monoxide detectors and conduct regular inspections regardless of the fuel type.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.